Hello student, today we are going to learn class 11 physics NCERT example problem 10th chapter. 10th problem we are going to discuss. The problem is asked about mechanical properties of the fluid. Okay, from that chapter, 10th chapter only, we are going to discuss the answer. Okay, first of all we'll see what is the question is given. They dropped one copper ball, okay, inside the oil. Okay, so we have like this water, just they dropped copper ball inside the oil. Okay, so it's going to move down. They are given as a velocity. Okay, first we'll see what is the data is given in the question. Okay, the velocity of the ball, it's going to be a 6.5 centimeter per second. Okay, which is not in a SI unit. Actually SI unit meter kilogram second, MKS system. Okay, so the next one, the radius of the ball, this also is given 2 millimeter. Okay, radius of the ball also is given. Okay, next one, see here, density of this sphere ball. Okay, density of the ball also is given. Okay, the copper ball. Okay, density of the copper ball, which is given in the question, 8.9 into 10 power plus 3. Okay, the density of the oil. Okay, the density of the oil, if you want, so it's going to be called as a sigma. Okay, so two densities there, don't get confused with that. 1.5 into 10 power plus 3 density of the oil is given in the question. Okay, then they asked coefficient of viscosity. Okay, coefficient of viscosity is a question mark. Okay, so coefficient of viscosity formula, when the ball is dropped inside the liquid, means it's going to be called, it's 2 times of A square. A is called radius of the ball. Okay, rho is the copper ball density. Okay, minus sigma is the oil density. Okay, so 2 A square copper density minus oil density into gravity divided by 9 times of terminal velocity. Okay, everything is given, all the data is given. Okay, first the problem, we have to convert the unit is in a SI, then only we can able to solve. Okay, radius is how much? 2 millimeter. Okay, radius is 2 millimeter. So millimeter to meter, if you want, 10 power minus 3, 2 into 10 power minus 3. Velocity is given as a 6.5 centimeter per second. Okay, centimeter per second. So centimeter to the meter, 10 power minus 2. Okay, so 6.5 into 10 power minus 2 meter per second. All the unit I am changing as a MKS system. Okay, this already is in a MKS. Gravity is 9.8. Now I am going to substitute. Okay, coefficient of viscosity is equal to 2 times of radius is how much? 2 millimeter. That's going to be 2 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay, 2 millimeter square. So 10 power minus 3 whole square. Okay, density of the copper ball. Okay, 8.9 into 10 power plus 3. If you want this derivation, you can mention in a comment. I will do this derivation. Okay, density of the copper ball, this much. If you want density of the oil, okay, this is going to be 1.5 into 10 power plus 3. Gravity, we are going to take it as a 9.8. Okay, denominator 9 will be there. Terminal velocity 6.5 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, so meter per second. Now all the unit I converted as a SI unit. Okay, so now slowly you can do the problem. I am going to tell you each and every step. Okay, including multiplication. I am going to teach you how to find this answer. Okay, first 2 into square, no, 2 into 2, 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 3, because square will be 10 power 2 times. Okay, here 10 power plus 3, you can take it common, 8.9 minus 1.5 into 10 power plus 3. Okay, into 9.8. Okay, 9.8 acceleration due to gravity. Denominator will get as a 9 into 6.2 into 10 power minus 2. So minus 3 minus 6 we can write. Next step, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Okay, 8 into this 2 subtraction, no, it's 8.9 minus 1.5. So 4 will get as a 7.4. 7.4 into 10 power minus 6, because this 2 minus 3 minus 6 into 10 power plus 3, because from here, into 9.8. Denominator 9 into 6.2 into 10 power minus 3 minus 2. From denominator to numerator minus 2 if you are taken, that will become as a plus 2. Okay, so then the next step, see here, the coefficient of viscosity 8, okay, into 7.4 into 9.8, okay, into this 2 I am making together, 10 power minus 6 plus 3, answer will be minus 3. From denominator to numerator if you are taken minus 2, that will become as a plus 2. Okay, this if you are taken numerator, plus 2 will come. Okay, then actually denominator 9 into 6.5, sorry, 6.5, this is not 6.2, 6.5, according to the question 6.5. Okay, this is what we have. What is the next step now? Next step we can do the calculation. See here, minus 6 plus 3, minus 3 will come. Okay, minus 3 will come into 10 power plus 2. Okay, first you can solve the 10 power. So coefficient of viscosity is equal to 10 power minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 will get. Okay, now this number 74, 65, just numerator 10, denominator 10 I am going to multiple. Okay, because 7.4 will become as a 74, 65 will become as a 6.5 will become as a 65. Okay, just numerator 10, denominator 10, you can multiple to make the round number. Okay, now 8 into 7.74 into 9.8, denominator will be 9 into 65, 9 into 65. Okay, if you want this also you can make it as a round number, otherwise you can do with the calculation. Okay, 8 into 74 as a numerator into 9.8 as a numerator, denominator 9 into 65. Okay, now I am going to teach you how to calculate this also. Okay, first we will do 9 into 65, how much? Okay, 65 into 9, 5 9s are 45. Okay, then 4 will be there, then 6 9s are 54 plus 4, 58 will get. Okay, so denominator I'll get 585. Okay, numerator already we have 88 into 74 into 9.8 as a numerator into 10 power minus 1. Okay, if you are doing the solution directly you will get the answer. First 74 into 8 will calculate, 74 into 8. So we'll get 592. Then this 2 will get 592. So 592 into 9.8. If you want, you can take it approximately. Okay, you can take it the accurate value only, because you will get confusion with the answer. Okay, so 10 power minus 1 divided by 585. Okay, next step you can do this 2 multiplication. Slowly you can do the multiplication, you will get the answer. Okay, 592 into 9.8. Okay, you can do the calculation. See here what I am going to get, 4726, just a normal multiplication only, 5 3 2 8. So 5800. Okay, if you here one decimal you can keep it. Okay, here one decimal you can keep it because of this decimal. Okay, now what will get in numerator now? This only 5800.6. What will get denominator now? 585 into 10 power minus 1. Okay, so approximately this is a 10 times, because imagine 5800 as a numerator, 580 as a denominator. Approximately we'll get answer as a 10. Okay, so see here, denominator is greater than the numerator, so we'll get less than this value. Okay, so it is going to be called as a 9.9 into 10 power minus 1. If you want this calculation, that also I will show you. Okay, so 5800, here will be 585. Okay, so this you can make it as a like a normal division only you can do. Okay, this is going to be 585 9 times, 585 it's going to be a 9 times, what we can get now, 5265. Okay, then The remaining answer will get here 535.0, again 9 times 5,265. Okay, this is a calculation we'll get. Okay, so actually we are finding the coefficient of viscosity. We found the book answer equivalent to the book answer. Okay, the coefficient of the viscosity unit kg meter inverse second inverse. Okay, this is a final unit of the coefficient of viscosity. If you want coefficient of viscosity SI unit and dimension formula, you can go and see in my playlist. Okay, if you want more video example and exercise means, you can go and see in my playlist. Thank you.